The Jonard Tools FCC 125 and FCC 250 quick-click ferrule and face cleaners are designed to provide exceptional cleaning performance. The FCC 125 cleans LC and MU connectors beyond the critical fiber core area and cleaning deep into the contact area of a bulkhead adapter or connectors on fiber optic cables. The FCC 250 does the same for FC, SC, and ST connectors. The tethered dust cap provides protection for the microfiber cleaning fabric and is an adapter for connector and face cleaning. The FCC 125 and FCC 250 feature a patented 360-degree rotational tip for extra wide cleaning, easy one-push operation, and extendable nozzle providing an additional 1.5 inches for a nozzle length of 4 inches to aid in accessing deep ports or crowded access panels. Additionally, both cleaners use a non-woven microfiber that is lint-free and provides 800 plus cleanings. The outer body is made from static dissipative material for safe ESD work. For bulkhead applications, remove the end cap, insert end into bulkhead and push forward. When you hear the audible click sound, cleaning is complete. For tight spaces, you can extend the nozzle forward with the slide button. To clean end faces of connectors, open the top of the cap exposing the connector adapter. Insert connector into adapter and pull connector towards the tool until you hear an audible click. The cleaning process is now complete. And now available, the FCC 120 MPO connector cleaner.